guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. Today I am going to be testing out a new hair tool. This hair tool just came out. It is from Hot Tools, so it looks like their blow dryer that I use all the time, that I really love. I actually used it to blow out my hair today. You're supposed to use this hair tool on like day 2 or 3 just to kind of like touch up your hair and make it look sleek, nice. You can add some volume if you want. We're gonna see if this works because this cost me $100. Like, that is a lot of money for a hair tool that you only will use to like touch up your hair and stuff, you know. I did a blowout on like most of my hair just to see if this would really work to touch up my blowout, I guess. But I really want to see if this would work on my natural curly hair just to like straighten it and get it sleek. But I don't know, we'll see if that's gonna work, but we're gonna try it either way. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. I upload videos every single week, mainly about hair, so if you like this video so far and if you like other videos that I have posted here on my channel, then go ahead and subscribe because you will find more videos like this one. By the way guys, if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me. This is my Instagram right here. I post a lot of stuff on there that I do not post on here on YouTube. For example, if you follow me on Instagram, then you already know that I just bought a house. Yay! My fiance and I just bought a house, and that's like super exciting. Our wedding got postponed. We were supposed to get married now on Saturday, actually May 9th, and that won't be able to happen for now, but we got a house, so that's like super exciting, and I'm so proud of us, and this is just like a very fun next step in our lives. So go ahead and check out my Instagram, check out my TikTok, follow me on social media. I'm like very active on social media. By the way guys, do you want me to post videos about like painting and fixing up the house? Because we kind of are doing that right now, and I don't know if I should be filming it or not. I don't know if you guys want to see that. Like, we are transforming the house. It's a small, cute and cozy house, and we're just so excited. So if you guys want to see more videos about the house and like, I don't know, transforming it. By the way, oh my god, I'm sorry, this intro is so long, but I feel like I haven't spoken to you guys in a while. But by the way, I just got a vacuum. And not just any vacuum. I got a DYSON vacuum. So if you guys want a review on that, let me know. Not even like a review, just like showing you guys how it works, or showing you guys if I like it, if it's worth it. If you guys want me to do even like a small Instagram video about the DYSON vacuum, let me know. It's funny how now I'm like excited about stuff like that. I'm excited about vacuums and stuff for the house. It's crazy, I'm getting old. Anyways, let's open this up. I know this intro is so long and you guys are gonna say that I talk too much, so let's open this up. I just love talking to you guys and catching up with you guys. So this is what the hair tool looks like. So it's pretty big. It's about the same size as the blow dryer. But this is not a blow dryer. Don't use this on wet hair. You can't use this on wet hair. You don't want to use this on wet hair. Like, you will burn your hair. This blow dryer is so strong. Okay. Okay, so my hair is dry. I'm gonna turn this on. Okay, so it has a couple of different heat settings. So right now it's at 330. It's warming up to 330 degrees Fahrenheit. So it brings a glove. I didn't even notice that. So it has 10 different heat settings. So from 330 degrees Fahrenheit to 430 degrees Fahrenheit. Anyways, let's do a small section at 330. Let's see. Oof. Yeah. Okay, wow, I got it kind of straight. It pulled my hair a little bit. I mean, I kind of figured because my hair is curly, like it's a little bit textured right now on this section, so it might pull my hair a little bit as compared to it being completely straight. But I'm gonna put the heat setting up a little bit. So you actually just twist this. Oh, how cool. You just twist this to put the heat setting up. So I'm going to put it up to 410. And let's see if it gets it straight. Okay, so it got it pretty straight. It gave it a little bit of volume too, and it gave it some shape. So I kind of really like that. I'm gonna just finish these sections right here. Yeah, it's pulling my hair a little bit. I would recommend just blowing out your hair first and then going in with this. Yeah, it's pulling my hair a little bit. So I did see that you can kind of create a little bit of a curl with this brush. I want to see if I can do it, so I'm gonna try. So basically you flip it like this, and then you keep flipping the brush. Yeah, you can definitely get a little bit of a wave. So I'm going to try to do that with all my hair. So I'm going to try to do that again with another section of hair. It's definitely more like a wave. It's not like a curl. Or just like a bigger curl, if you know what I mean. Okay, you know, I kind of like that. I think it looks really nice. So let's try it on this side now. So this side I only did a blowout. So you can use this on your natural curls if you want to just straighten your hair, like straight from curly hair. But I wouldn't recommend it. It does pull your hair a little bit. I would recommend just blowing out your hair and then touching it up with this hair tool, because guys, I mean, it looks really nice. I really like how it looks. I mean, this side already looks nicer than this side. Like, this side looks bouncier, shinier too, and then this side is like, okay. I'm gonna just take a section, kind of pull it, and I'm gonna shape the ends a little bit. Yeah, already it looks nicer. It gave it a little bit of a wave, and it looks shinier. It looks more sleek. I'm actually really liking this hair tool, and I didn't think I was gonna like it too much because I just found it a little bit pointless. This is kind of like the first time that I see a straightening brush that is like a round brush, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, already my hair is starting to look more bouncy. It's looking more like a blowout. I am actually super excited about this hair tool. I feel like it's helping with frizz. It looks less frizzy already, and as you can see, it looks shiny, bouncy. I'm like really enjoying this hair tool. My hair looks shinier. Like, it really looks shinier. Like, do you guys see it? Like, it looks shinier, healthier, bouncier. I'm like really liking this hair tool. If you like that like salon blowout look, like with that volume and bounce, then yeah, you would love this tool. But if you want something that's going to give you like tight curls or like different hairstyles, or like completely straighten your hair like a flat iron would do, then maybe this one isn't the best tool for you. But I will say I really like this. Yeah, I'm like really impressed with this hair tool. I don't have anything like this. I don't. Like, I have straightening brushes that are more like a flat brush, like a paddle brush, but not a round brush that is like a heater brush. You know what I mean? You guys can see in the before and after. In the beginning, my hair was just, you know, straight, a nice blowout, but now I have more shape on the ends. It looks less frizzy, and it looks shinier. It looks more sleek too. I really like this hair tool. I'm definitely going to be using it again and again and again, and I really like it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I can totally picture myself using this so many times. I blow out my hair, and then I go in with something like this, and it keeps it like sleek, but it still has some volume, and it just looks so healthy. It looks like a nice blowout. I honestly didn't think I would like it as much as I do, and this video is not sponsored. This video, I mean, they didn't even send this to me to try out. I bought it with my money. I spent $100 on this, And I'll be honest, the price is up there, but you get a very, very nice look. And if you like this type of look, like that blowout look with some volume, some bounce, and still, you know, looking shiny and sleek, then you will like this hair tool. Anyways guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.